What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Let's get into the news. The first story of the day is a little deal. So if you're looking to add some internal storage to your new Galaxy phone that you just pre-ordered, or maybe an old Galaxy phone, or another phone that allows for internal storage of microSD kind, well, it looks like PNY has a big sale going on Amazon. So you can get a 256 gigabyte microSD card for only around 50 bucks. If you need something smaller, again, it's gonna be less than that. But if you're into this right now, I will link them down below in case you wanna pick up and get some more internal storage for a really good price. Next up, Samsung looks to be maybe changing the name of their flagship phones starting next year. So it wouldn't be called like the Galaxy S11 or the Galaxy Note 11. So you probably still get the Note 10, I think, but after into 2020, looks like they're gonna probably change the name, and I guess it has something to do with people having a harder time saying like 11. I think it's weird. To be able to, it would be harder for people to say double-digit numbers in a name. But regardless, it looks like it's something Samsung's looking into. So you might have something like Samsung Galaxy S Amazing or whatever they end up calling it. It looks like they're going to get rid of the numbers for at least the double-digit numbers for it, and 10 would be the last number that you would be double-digit for this line of phones. So if you haven't seen my video yesterday, I definitely recommend checking it out. It is a 4+ minute officially released video that Samsung put out about the Samsung Galaxy Fold, and they kind of just walk through it. They show the camera, they show him opening it and folding it, and it's a really beautiful video. And again, if you haven't seen it, I add my commentary to it. Definitely check it out. I will link it down below. Well, it looks like Samsung has put the actual phone on display at MWC, which is happening right now, and you can't touch it. You can get kind of close to it, but it's encased in glass, and it just gives you a look at what the phone looks like firsthand. That's about it. So all I wanted to add is that it is in person right now. But again, check out yesterday's video if you haven't already. And the last story of the day comes from Sam Mobile, and they had some hands-on time with the new Samsung Galaxy S10 5G variant phone. So the 5G variant is going to have 4 cameras on the back, 6 total. It's also gonna have 5G networking so that you're able to use the fastest networking available on your device. The other big thing about this is it does have faster charging, 25 watt versus 15 watts, so it will charge faster. Also remember that this does have a 6.7 inch display versus the regular S10 Plus has a 6.4 inch display. The cameras on the back are a 12 megapixel variable aperture. Also, you get the 12 megapixel and 16 megapixel wide and ultra wide, which is going to match what you get on the S10 Plus. But the big difference is the 4th camera is a 3D sensing camera that's referred to as a time of flight camera that allows for more accurate depth sensing and enhanced depth map for improved facial recognition, augmented reality, 3D imaging, and other applications. Now you're also going to get a bigger battery, 4,500 milliamp battery, and also this phone is thinner than the Galaxy Note 9. You're looking at 8.8 millimeters on the Galaxy Note 9 versus 7.94 millimeters on the S10 5G variant. That's it, guys. That's pretty much all we know. The guys, they also said it's a little bit big in your hand, so if you have small hands, you might not like it, which is understandable because it's a 6.7 inch display. But yeah, we'll see what happens when it comes out. 5G is really great to have, obviously, because you'll have faster networking, but it's still not a mature network yet. It's still being built out, so I don't see this phone being a hot seller, especially since it's coming out after the initial S10 phone. So we'll wait and see though. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question out to you guys is there anything going on at MWC that you're excited about? Have it be the new LG phones, which I didn't really talk about because they are just, they're phones that I feel like they're just a step behind, at least spec-wise, with what you get with some of the major manufacturers that they're going against, such as iPhone and Samsung and some other people as well, even Huawei. I don't know, I just feel like they're just a slight step behind. So again, I didn't really talk about it. They got get the LG G8 thinQ and also the LG V50, which they have nice specs, but I just, again, I feel like they're a step behind. But let me know your thoughts if there's anything you've seen at MWC that you're excited about. Thanks for watching. We'll see you down the road.